If you want to grow faster online, you need to create content around what people are actively searching for right now. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find trending topics with Answer the Public and turn search data into fresh content ideas for 2026. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to explore search trends and topic ideas. Next, type a broad keyword related to your niche or industry. This could be something like tech, fitness, finance, or marketing. Starting broad helps you uncover more trending angles. Click Search and wait for the results to load. Answer the Public organizes real search queries into categories like questions, comparisons, and related searches, which helps you spot what people are interested in right now. One of the best places to find trending topics is the questions section. Look for rising curiosity in searches starting with how, what, why, and when. These often signal new or growing interests. As you scan the results, look for repeating patterns or similar ideas. When multiple people are asking similar questions, that usually means the topic is trending or gaining attention. Next, explore comparisons and related searches. These sections often reveal what people are currently comparing, buying, or trying to understand in real time. Now pay attention to long-tail keywords. These are more specific search phrases that often show emerging trends before they become highly competitive. Start collecting the most interesting trending topics in a list or spreadsheet. Organizing them helps you quickly turn ideas into content. Now take each trending topic and turn it into content. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or short-form content depending on your platform. To stay ahead, repeat this process regularly. Trends change fast, so checking Answer the Public often helps you stay updated and relevant. And that's how to find trending topics with Answer the Public. Yeah, when you track what people are actively searching for, you can create content that feels timely, relevant, and valuable. Thanks for watching, and good luck staying ahead of the trends.